Herring fish is a popular food item that is consumed all over the world. It is a small, oily fish that is packed with nutrients, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet. In this article, we will explore the nutritional content of herring fish, how to cook it, and its calorie count. Nutritional content. Herring fish is an excellent source of protein, which is important for building and repairing tissues in the body. A 3-ounce serving of herring fish contains approximately 20 grams of protein, which is equivalent to 40% of the daily value, DV, based on a 2,000-calorie diet. In addition to protein, herring fish is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining good health. These fatty acids are known to improve heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. A 3-ounce serving of herring fish contains approximately 1,800 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. Herring fish is also a good source of various vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and the absorption of calcium. Additionally, it is rich in vitamin B12, which is important for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Herring fish also contains minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, and selenium. Cooking herring fish. Herring fish can be cooked in a variety of ways, including grilling, baking, broiling, and frying. One simple and tasty way to cook herring fish is to grill it. To do this, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Rinse the herring fillets under cold water and pat them dry with a paper towel. Brush the fillets with olive oil and season them with salt and pepper. Place the fillets on the grill and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until the fish is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Another delicious way to cook herring fish is to bake it in the oven. To do this, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Rinse the herring fillets under cold water and pat them dry with a paper towel. Place the fillets in a baking dish and drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, and add any other seasonings you like, such as garlic or lemon juice. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the fish is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork.